Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are making this yummy and delicious tapioca. I think the tapioca grit is made from cassava, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I'll be rinsing that to get rid of the dirt and any unwanted particles in it. I rinse it 3 times, okay? And we'll be soaking that in water till it is softened. After 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's not softened yet, but we are almost there. So this is after 2 hours, and I think it is completely softened. Yeah, I really think so. So yeah, as you can see, it breaks easily. Yeah, it's okay. I'll be shredding some coconut, just a little. I'll be using that when I'm cooking the tapioca. So guys, I'll be bringing some water to boil. I'll pour in the tapioca. Put some salt. This tapioca does not require lots of salt, just a little, okay? And I'll add the shredded coconuts. And I'll continue to stir it from time to time. Make sure you don't put it on the stove and walk away, because it's kind of sticky and starchy. It could stick to the bottom of your pot and get burnt, so you have to continually scrape the sides and the bottom of the pots as you cook, okay? Also, add water to your desired consistency. Some people like it thick, while some people like it light. That's personal preference. I want mine to be in between, not too thick, not too light. The way it is at this point, I think I'm okay with it. But I later added water, and that was when I realized it was too light for my liking. Okay? I've been cooking this for about 7 minutes now, and I think I would reduce the heat completely. Then I'll cover it and allow it to simmer for a minute or 2. As you can see, the flame isn't touching the pot, okay? That's the way you want it. You want it to be at the lowest heat. Okay. Now I'm adding sugar to taste, okay? And I'll mix that in till it is well incorporated. And our tapioca cereal is ready to be served. You can serve this with milk or any fruit of your choice. You can use powdered milk or liquid milk. Okay? You can also garnish this with any fruit of your choice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.